नमस्कार आदाब, मैं जावेद अहमद और आप देख रहे हैं एमजे न्यूज नेशन। 1 जुलाई 2023 को श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल ने एक प्रेस मीट किया जिसमें उन सब बच्चों को सम्मानित किया गया जो एंट्सो एग्जाम 2022-23 में कामयाबी हासिल की। मैं ये बताता चलूं कि एंट्सो यानी इंडियन नेशनल टैलेंट सर्च ओलंपियाड एग्जाम्स है, जिसमें श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल के विभिन्न ब्रांच के बच्चों ने भाग लिया। इसमें कुछ बच्चों को कामयाबी प्राप्त हुई। मिस्टर रवि किरण जो श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल के एजीएम हैं, उन्होंने कहा कि ये बच्चों का मेहनत का सफलता है कि उन्होंने 1922-23 में इस तरह का रैंक हासिल किया। मिसेस सीमा जो श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल के एकेडमिक डायरेक्टर हैं, उन्होंने उन सारे बच्चों को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट किया जो कामयाबी प्राप्त किए। आइए स्टूडेंट और टीचरों की बातों को सुनते हैं कि उन्होंने क्या कहा है।
Ladies and gentlemen and my dear students, an exuberant evening to all and all present over here. We know that what is the purpose of meeting all of us together here. That is the second level prize distribution ceremony of Indian National Talent Search Olympiad. Without wasting the time, I want to hand over my mic to our AGM sir. He will explain the details of this Olympiad and whatever the queries you are having. Thank you so much, sir.
Good afternoon, beloved parents, dear students, press, media. I'm very happy to see you all. A good gathering, all the winners' families are here. So very happy to just, see all of you. You're joining your children with a hope and, some kind of excitement in Sri Chaitanya. We are a little lagging in just creating this kind of events. In the last 4 years, every year consistently we are producing these results, the best results in Kolkata. There is no doubt in that. In several events like national and international events also we created history. But somewhere we are not in touch with the media. That is the reason always we are just sharing these results to our parents only, not to the public. Sir, we are sorry and somewhere we could not meet you. And at least hereafter you will be in touch with us to just take our results, the genuine results what we are producing in our schools within the small inception of these 5 years to the public. So we request Mr. Biswajit, be in touch with all of you to just, move on these results to the public side. And parents, I'm so happy you are blessed with your, beautiful children with, intellectual mindset. They are doing good and the institution has promised you. No doubt we are going to do it continuously. Chaitanya's system is not a sprint. I always say it's a marathon. We never, get tired and or else we never be lazy in just creating results for the institution. All of you know it, the unbeatable, ever before, maybe never after results produced in Chaitanya this year. The event which is 111, All India top results in the prestigious 3 examinations, one which is NEET All India first rank and JEE Mains first rank and advanced first rank. This is not an easy event. I'm very sure I am saying this will not happen again. Because basically I am a senior physics professor as I taught to the students and even produced all India toppers. This is not possible.
आपको खुशी मिला है, इसको थोड़ा शेयर करो। इस खुशी में किसको क्रेडिट देना चाहती हो, जो से बोलो।
बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी मिला है और मैं सबसे ज़्यादा क्रेडिट अपने टीचर्स को देना चाहूँगी। उन्होंने अपना बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करा इस एग्ज़ाम में। वो मेरे को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत की है।
क्या नाम हो आपका?
समृद्धि सर।
आप जो आज प्राइज मिला आपका, परहैप्स इट इज़ द फर्स्ट अचीवमेंट इन लाइफ, हाउ डू यू फील? शेयर इट इन हिंदी।
सर एक्चुअली ये मेरा सेकंड प्राइज है और ये काफ़ी बहुत
किसको देना चाहते हो, डेडिकेट करना चाह रहे हो, बताओ। थैंक यू।
आपका नाम क्या हुआ?
त्याशा कोयल।
आपको जो आज यहाँ पर प्राइज मिला, आप प्राइज विनर हैं आप,
हाँ,
आपको कैसा फील हुआ? आप
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और मैं ये कर पाई हूँ मेरे स्कूल और टीचर्स मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है, स्कूल मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है, इसलिए मैं ये कर पाई हूँ। एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू माई टीचर्स हु टॉट मी दिस स्टफ।
इस अचीवमेंट का पीछे किसका किस बात है?
टीचर्स ऑफ कोर्स, और हमारे स्कूल से वर्कशीट और वो सब में भी बहुत हेल्प किए हैं, तो हमारे स्कूल के बहुत क्रेडिट है इस पर, और माई पेरेंट्स हैव ऑल्सो हेल्प्ड अ लॉट, सो या।
आपको आज जो प्राइज विन किए हो, इसमें आपको कैसा फीलिंग लगा?
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है।
और इसमें आपका इसका कोऑर्डिनेशन कोऑपरेशन है, टीचर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रेंड्स, इसका मम्मी पापा, इसका बताएं।
टीचर्स, मॉम डैड, एवरीवन है जी। तो टीचर्स के बहुत हार्ड वर्क है, उसके बाद
आवाज़
किसको क्रेडिट देना चाहती हो, बताओ। मम्मी पापा को, आधा फ्रेंड्स को, पूरा। आगे और क्या अचीव करने का हौसला रखती हो?
This is the first event which we conducted collectively from West Bengal Zone Sri Chaitanya franchise. And in the last 4 years we achieved the tremendous results, but where we could not do this kind of thing. First time the media supported us, and this year 441 students they bagged different prizes. Out of that we received the grand prize, which is the best prize in the country, also to our student Sagnik Das from Dunlop branch. And 4 more students they bagged the first prizes and gold medals, and 3 students second prizes and gold medals, and 5 students from third prizes and gold medals, and many more. Altogether we have 441 students they got the prizes. Out of that 25 students they got the gold medals. And for this Chaitanya's inception, not only from 86 as we started here in 2018, our motto is to be the best education, not only the regular curriculum, whatever it is NCERT. In addition to that, we are focusing on Olympiad examinations, and there we are giving a special training with our research oriented material. Right from nursery to 12th standard, the best results we are producing everywhere in all kinds of competitive examinations because of our methodology and the seriousness in the academics, right from central office to the state level.
আমি শিশুরা মোবাইলে সময় দিচ্ছ, তারপরেও এত পুরস্কার, পরবর্তী স্টুডেন্টদের জন্য কি বার্তা?
Pandemic year created students to be connected more for mobile phones and all these things. But whereas Sri Chaitanya system, we don't leave the children like the other schools, they leave by 2 o'clock. After that, sending the students to the tuitions. That kind of system is not there in our institutions. Here we promise the parents at the time of admission itself, we will take care of the children right from 0 to the Z. We give the coaching, we support them in their weakness areas, and Olympiad coaching, everything will be in the school system itself. And within the schedule we do that. That is why we ours are a little long hours, where some parents are not happy with that also. But we are in turn, we are saving their money and their children time. For that, the classrooms, as you witnessed here, all the classrooms are equipped with digital curriculum, and we are giving the support to that. And our app, MetaPlus app, is a famous app for the children. Even they miss a class also, they can go through it with the help of the parents, or else with the help of the teacher. That is the way we are motivating them. And as the child is busy with the teacher's instructions, they will not be connected to the mobile phones that much, I am sure. And if they have enough leisure,
they don't want to do anything, and automatically they'll move with different kind of things in the mobile phones. We are motivating them, and we are educating them, and we are supporting them. That's what is the reason. In even in 10th standard also, we did a very fabulous result. We produced a very fabulous result, but somewhere we missed to just publish in the media. This is the major drawback of ours, and hereafter with the support of media, every result and every best achievement we will bring it to the public notice.